Kumar Agarwal, Chief Maintenance Officer, DB/RRTS. Shri Agarwal is a senior rail leader with 40 plus years of experience, including as additional member Mechanical Railway Board. Now CMO at DB/RRTS, he has played a pivotal role in operationalizing the Delhi-Meerut RRTS. A recipient of multiple awards, he is known for driving innovation in rolling stock and O&M. Throughout his illustrious career, he has held leadership roles such as Principal Chief Mechanical Engineer, Western Railway, and Divisional Railway Manager, Bangalore Division, where he drove efficiency, revenue growth, and inter-agency coordination. Let's extend a very warm welcome to Shri Anil Kumar Agarwal on stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a very difficult time for all of you to hear the presenter here, but my presentation is not for any product. I am just here to share our experience. Our company DB, I am not part of DB Group. DB Group as DB ENC is already present in India for last 15 years, but in July 2022, we have got the first operation and maintenance contract from NCRTC, and we are doing that successfully and already running 50 kilometers of the section is already operational with 11 stations. And we have built up a team in such a short time of about 1,100 competent driver and the maintenance staff, given them training, made them to do all the work. So I just want to share some experience and the digitization of maintenance processes which we have done. I think I'll skip this slide because it's not very important. This is just about the DB group. It's a big group, though this is our first contract in India for operation maintenance, but in Europe we are the biggest operator in freight, metro, long distance train, high speed train. Everything is there in our kitty. As I explained you, engineering, consulting and operation, these are the three main areas where our company works, and this is the first operation and maintenance contract which we have in India. We are present in 94 nations with 8,256 employees. So we have an experience of operation and maintenance of the complex maintenance system, rolling stock, rail infrastructure, condition monitoring and diagnostics, system integration, passenger and freight transport, strategic train planning, like making timetable and other things. So just a small video, whether video will play. This is our staff, where PM Modi interacted them during their first inauguration. So this is just a brief highlight of this project. Actually, it is envisaged to have a total cater to 8 lakh passengers per day when it is fully commissioned. And travel time is going to be less than 60 minutes from Meerut, Modipuram location in Meerut to the Sarai Kale Khan. Total 82 kilometers of network. We are going to employ 42 train sets and there will be total 25 stations. This is just a picture of that route map. Out of this 50 kilometers from New Ashok Nagar to Meerut South is already operational with 11 stations. And the highlight of this project is started foundation stone laid in the March 2019, and probably by the August or end of the August, this full section will be operational. It's a project which has been mentioned top 3 project of the country. Very fast execution done by NCRTC. Actually, this two more corridors are likely to happen, and there are a lot of multimodal concept has been used in this project. It is going to interface with metro, Indian Railway, as well as bus terminal at many locations. Will not go detail into that. Now, there are some leading technologies which are there, have been implemented in this project. First is this ETCS level 2 hybrid system. I think this implemented first time in India, and with LT communication backbone is there, which is probably first time in the world. And the train runs at a speed of 160 kmph. Trials were done at 180 kmph. And all stations are having the platform screen doors. Then the track is also a very unique technology which is laid on the pore slab, which they call it pore slab technology. It's a beautifully laid track, and the ISA who came and visited and inspected the track, they have said that it's the probably best laid track we have seen so far. Italfer from Italy. So we just, now I want to talk about little bit of digitization of maintenance. NCRTC has procured a system from Maximo that is called asset management system. So we have codified each and every assets of all the systems, and if you see there are total 57,239 assets are already there inside the system. And each and every maintenance of the system right from the day one is being captured into the AMS system, and record is being made digitally on this platform. What happened? So there are various applications in this. Asset register, location master. Service request is a concept where any kind of corrective maintenance which is to be done, a service request can be created by anybody, and that service request will automatically go to the concerned maintenance in charge for attending to doing that repairs. We have already uploaded all the job plans, checklist. Complete preventive maintenance, I told you, is being done using this AMS system. Work order and PTW management. Calibration and monitoring also, it gives a message to us whenever calibration of any tool is due. Frequencies have already been fed. The best part is the planning and scheduling. We can take out do the scheduling of maintenance for the full system for the full next 1 year, and we take out that schedule every week for the asset maintenance which we have to done next week, and we make a plan on Thursday for the next week and execute that plan and upload all the details into this system. There is no need to keep any manual data entry available with us. Safety incident management also monitored through this. As I told you, inspection checklists, logbook diaries. There are a lot of KPI monitoring which are there in our contract, which also we are able to do with the help of this tool. And further we are going to, this is just achievements which we have already achieved. This is all, I think, already explained to you, both these slides. This is just, I wanted to show you this picture that our maintenance staff who goes for doing the maintenance, he has been given a tablet and he will enter all the data, readings, whatever he records directly into the system, and it will be captured by the system. Now, there is one issue which since morning we are discussing about the use of technology for maintenance of OHE and track. Particularly, there are lot of instruments are available for OHE monitoring while fixing the camera onto the train itself, doing the OHE monitoring. But we had a challenge of inspection of the cantilever. So the cantilever nuts, bolts, and the insulator provided there, its condition is not being able to capture by this OHE monitoring tools. So we have got in touch with one of the company drone, direct drone from Noida, and we have done already some pilot project where this drone was flown from the side, and we were able to capture the defects and visual like this. Drone was flown and it captured various images of all the cantilevers, and after that they have submitted us the report also, in which all the inspection parameter of cantilever could be monitored through this drone. So for this technology of using drone for cantilever inspection, we are going to implement it probably for the first time in India, in railways as well as metro sector. At present, it is not implemented so far anywhere. So this is the one new thing which we are going to introduce. Otherwise, each cantilever we have to take the CMV and we have to do the inspection only during the night time, which is highly time consuming. And you can see it is able to show a lot of defects of wrong fitment, other things, everything. They already have a AI built platform where these images are captured and analyzed and the defects are given to us. And that camera which in the drone is having, it takes both the images, thermal images as well as the normal high resolution image, and both images he gives along with the report. So if there is any hot spot also, that also we can, in one shot everything can be done. Then this TGMT trolley, we call it track geometry measurement trolley. So this we have procured one for measurement of track parameters. And in fact, in other metro also it is there, but they do it manually. But the first time we have implemented, running it at a speed of 15 kmph, towing it with our CMV at 15 kmph, and results were very good. So that is going to save us a lot of time. And this already trial have been done. 2 rounds we have completed. And in fact, since a lot of industry friends are here, we are looking for more and more idea for digitizing the maintenance systems in RRTS, particularly the track inspection, because we are supposed to carry out the foot patrolling of the track once in a week basically, and we want to avoid that. And if any digital solution in that direction, if somebody is having, they are more than welcome. Similarly, for fire and safety audits, RAMS parameter demonstration, all these areas we are looking for support from the industries. So that is all from my side. Thank you.